How to hide orders on Amazon app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide your orders on Amazon on the application. Now if you want to do it on the application, since you are using mobile and you use Amazon application and you want to know how you can hide the orders on your application, then unfortunately you can't do it through the application. What you can do is you can head into your phone, right, and you can head into amazon.com on your browser. Once you do so here, once you head into the browser and head into amazon.com, you want to log into your account. In my case, as you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner there, your profile username, and once you do so, you'll get the option that says your orders. Tap on the see all option beside your orders. Once you tap on see all, you'll be able to see all your orders. Right now, what you want to do next is you want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on desktop site option, and you'll be headed into desktop site. Now once you head into desktop site, what you want to do is you want to go ahead, and since I don't have orders, you can see 0 orders, but if you do have any orders, what you want to do is here you want to go ahead and open up the order that you wish to hide. Simply tap on that particular order, and there you'll find the option that says archive order. So simply tap on archive order once you open up the order. Once you tap on view order and then tap on archive order for that particular order, and it'll get hidden. And if you want to find that order later, you can tap on that particular time date that you can see and then tap on archived orders, and you'll find it under there. So this way you can hide orders on Amazon app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.